Just minutes from Manhattan, Governor's Island is a hidden oasis in New York Harbor. Once a military base, today it's a vibrant getaway with lush parks, art installations, and historic forts. The island offers unbeatable views of the Statue of Liberty and Lower Manhattan. Biking trails, picnic spots, and seasonal events make it a favorite escape. A blend of history, nature, and city skyline. Would you explore this peaceful retreat? Nestled in the Pyrenees, Fiscal is a hidden gem of northern Spain. This charming village is surrounded by lush forests and dramatic mountain landscapes. The Ara River flows gently through, offering stunning reflections of the historic stone bridges. A gateway to Ordesa National Park, it's a paradise for hikers and nature lovers. Peaceful, picturesque, and timeless. Would you escape to this mountain retreat? Perched on the rocky shores of Viña del Mar, Wulff Castle stands as a symbol of European elegance in Chile. Built in the early 20th century, this majestic fortress blends Gothic and Tudor styles, overlooking the vast Pacific Ocean. Waves crash against its foundation, creating a mesmerizing coastal view. Once a private mansion, today it's a cultural landmark showcasing history and art. A castle by the sea. Would you visit this coastal treasure?